Hey, what's up, everyone? So today, we're talking about something every AI storyteller needs to know. How to structure your prompt properly if you want AI to write amazing stories instead of weird, plotless chaos. Because let's be honest, typing, "write me a story about a dragon" isn't going to make you Tolkien. But with the right prompt structure, you can literally make AI write stories that sound creative, consistent, and emotionally engaging. Let's break it down. AI models don't actually think, they predict. So if your prompt is messy, the model just keeps guessing random next words based on the noise you gave it. But when your prompt is clear and organized, the AI knows exactly what kind of story you want, how it should feel, and who it's for. Think of it like giving directions to a driver. "Take me somewhere nice" will get you lost. But "take me to the quiet cafe near the lake with red chairs," boom, that's precision. All right, here's the secret sauce. A good story prompt has 5 main parts. You can literally use this with any AI model, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, whatever. 1. The role or perspective. Start by telling the AI who it should act as. This sets the tone and style. For example, you are a professional fantasy novelist who writes in a cinematic, emotional style. This immediately tells the model no short robotic sentences. We're going full storyteller mode. 2. The story concept. Next, define what the story is about. Give a clear premise or main idea. Example, write a story about a lonely robot who discovers an abandoned garden on Mars. Simple, visual, and specific. 3. The key elements. Now list the must-have ingredients, the setting, characters, and tone. Example, the story should include a melancholy atmosphere, vivid descriptions, and a slow emotional buildup. These details act like your story's DNA. If you skip this part, the AI fills in random traits that might not match your vibe. 4. The structure or flow. Tell the model how to organize the story. This prevents pacing issues or messy endings. Example, structure it in 3 acts: setup, conflict, and resolution. End with a reflective twist. This helps the AI maintain rhythm, like a storyteller who actually knows where they're going. 5. The style instructions. Finally, describe how it should sound. Is it poetic, funny, gritty, fast-paced? Example, write in a cinematic tone with short, impactful sentences and sensory details. You can even specify first-person or third-person POV to lock the perspective. If you combine all 5 parts, your final prompt looks like this. You are a professional sci-fi writer. Write a story about a lonely robot who discovers an abandoned garden on Mars. Include a melancholy atmosphere and vivid imagery. Structure it in 3 acts with a reflective ending. Write in a cinematic and emotional tone. That's it. That single paragraph already gives AI everything it needs: character, emotion, tone, and structure. Quick tips to level up your story prompts. Be specific but flexible. Don't overstuff every detail or the story might feel forced. Use examples. Add something like "in the style of Studio Ghibli" or "similar to the Truman Show." Iterate. You can always say "rewrite with more emotion" or "expand Act 2." AI works best when you collaborate with it. And don't be afraid to give emotional cues, like make the reader feel nostalgic but hopeful. It works surprisingly well. Now, if you actually plug that structured prompt into any AI model, you'll notice it gives a way more cohesive story. The pacing feels intentional, the characters have purpose. You're not just reading words, you're reading something that feels written by a storyteller. That's the power of prompt design.